Hello, Dustin again. Doing unit conversions and doing one more problem. So hopefully we'll be able to understand it and be able to move on and understand these word problems. This is from section 1.4b and problem number 40. So the question is, how many pesos are equal to 5 euros? 1 peso equals 8 cents and 1 euro equals $1.30. So we're going to first look at the question and find out what the known is. So how many pesos are equal to 5 euros? 5 euros. That's what we know. So we're going to put 5 euros. We're just going to put an E to simplify that. 5 euros. What are we trying to find out? How many pesos are equal to 5 euros? So we're trying to find out what pesos are. So we'll put an equal sign and a P for pesos. Now we need to turn this into an equation. So we're going to put a line and we're going to put some vertical lines. Just to set it up, we may not use all those lines, but will just give us plenty of space to work with. So let's go to what our other known factors are. So 1 peso equals 8 cents. Well, we want to find out what pesos are, but we need to get rid of the euros. So we're going to skip over pesos because I don't know if pesos are supposed to go on the top or the bottom, or if the dollars are supposed to go on the top or the bottom. So we're just going to skip over this equation, or this known fact. We're going to move on to this. 1 euro equals $1.30. So here, 1 euro, well, we already have euros. We don't want to find out euros, we want to find out pesos. So we're going to put euros on the bottom of the equation. 1 euro. That way, when we divide, E divided by E, we can get rid of it. So 1 euro equals $1.30. So we'll set that up as $1.30. Now we can go back to our other knowns. 1 peso, I still don't know if it goes on the top or the bottom, but I do know we want to get rid of dollars because we want to find out what pesos are. So look at the dollars. 8 cents. So we want to put 8 cents on the bottom. That way the dollars will cancel each other out and we'll be left with our 1 peso, or pesos. Oh, let's use a P. Okay, so now we've used all the knowns in our equation, or in our word problem, so now we can just solve for P. So we're going to come down 1 euro times 0.08 dollars. So let's divide first our units. So E, we can get rid of the euros. Dollars, we can get rid of the dollars. The only unit that we have left is our pesos. So we're good on there. Now we can solve the rest of the equation. So let's start on the top. 5 times 1.3 times 1 peso. So we're going to do 5. Okay, sorry for the little interruption there. Anyways, so now let's solve 5 times 1.3 times 1 peso. So we're going to start 5 times 1.3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. We have 1 decimal after 1 place, so we just need to move this to 6.5. 6.5 times 1 peso. So if we times this by 1 peso, we will end up with 6.5 pesos. So now we have 6.5 pesos from the top of our equation, divided by, or on the bottom of our equation, we have 0.08. So 0.08. So now we can solve this. We're going to have 6.5 divided by 0.08. Now if we remember, with decimals, when we're dividing, we need to get rid of the decimal. So we're going to take the decimal, move it over 2 place values here, and we have to do the same thing here. So 6.5 goes to 65, goes to 600, 650. So now we'll solve for this. 8 goes into 65 8 times, and that's 64. So subtract that, we have 1, carry down the 0. 8 goes into 10 1 time. So that's 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, we have no more numbers here, so we have to put a decimal, a 0. Okay, now we can carry down the 0 to 20. 8 goes into 22 times. 16. Okay, 20 minus 16 is 4. We need another 0. Drop down that 0. 48 goes into 45 times. Okay, and remember that this 6.5, remember this number, it was pesos, right? We didn't add it in because we had to add some extra zeros, but remember that's pesos. So we still have that left over, so we need to bring it up to the top. Pesos. So our final answer is 81.25 pesos. And that's how we set up the equation, so we can cancel out the units and we're left over with what we need at the very end, which is pesos, and we solve for pesos the whole time using that equation. I hope this helps. Let me know, and if we need to do more, then we'll do some more problems like that. Thank you very much. Have a great day.